We're doing chest physio today. It's winter, everyone's getting cold and flu, so our patient here is very productive. The chest is full of phlegm, so we're going to try to loosen it up a little bit. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to your lungs to find out where all the kind of phlegm and gross stuff is built up, and then we'll focus on those specific lobes. What we're going to try to do is clear your lungs from the gunk, or the phlegm, or the sputum, whatever term you want to use. And then I'm going to teach you how to breathe into that lobe again. You alright with that?
Yeah.
Cool. Just going to listen to your lungs. Just take a deep breath in and out. Good. Deep breath in, out. Take a break so you don't get dizzy. Are you dizzy?
No.
Alright, I'd normally go through the front, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So I'm just going to clarify a few things. Okay. So what I'm hearing is more on the left side, the left lobe. There is a little bit of crackling and wheezing. So as you're breathing in there, usually means there's a build-up there, and the alveoli are struggling to get air in, so you're getting this sensation, this sound. Okay. Comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, so in order to loosen up everything, so in a hospital setting or even at home, I would get you to inhale either saline or steam, and that way you can loosen everything up, so you can do that at home as well. Hot showers, that will help to just get things ready to move. I want to put this part of your lung in a high position, so gravity will help us. Okay, so I'll get your light on your side facing this way. Easy way to do this at home now is with a massage gun. So if you don't have a massage gun, just like knock yourself. Otherwise, the technique we're showing is the soft hands. Yeah. So just breathe normally. Yep. Do you feel any? Should be super confident. Yeah. And the idea is the vibration should go into a lung, and it should loosen up everything. So usually the steam or the saline will help with this as well. If they're really bad in a hospital setting, they will use medication to loosen up things. And usually go for about a minute. Let's say that's a minute. You okay?
Yep.
Okay, so what I want you to do is I'm gonna vibrate you. I want you to take a deep breath in, slow and controlled, trying to breathe into where my hand is.
Yep.
Hold it for 2 seconds and then slowly breathe out, okay? So deep breath in, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and then slowly out. Alright, try again. Deep breath in. Hold, 2, 3, and then slowly breathe out. Okay, you feel okay?
Yep.
It's pretty chill, yeah? And then you can continue multiple sets, okay? Have you done huff before? No? Okay.
Yeah.
Huff is fun. That's okay, you're gonna do something called a huff. Okay, so it's like a cough, but you're keeping your throat open. Okay, so the way we think about that is you're gonna do different levels. You're gonna do a low volume huff, a medium level, and a high level huff. Okay, so a low level huff is take a deep breath in, and then think about fogging up a mirror in front of you. Yep. Yep, that's a low volume huff. Try again, deep breath in. Cool, and then back to normal breathing. So in between percussions, so you can get your partner to do this, massage gun, it's all kinds of fun. Or you can exercise as well, because exercise will get this moving. Getting okay? Okay, now you're going to say that's a minute, we're going to do a medium volume, so this time same thing, fogging up the mirror up with a bit more force, deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Cool, try again. Deep breath in. Cool. Back to normal breathing. You feeling alright? Good job. Do you feel like you're gonna cough anything?
Well, I tried to cough before and I wasn't phlegming, so
Okay. Sounds super light.
it's just like really raspy now because I feel like it's been so long.
Okay. Last one's a high volume cough, so usually low volume you're moving the phlegm and the gross stuff from the outer lobes towards the midline. Medium is going up towards the throat, and then high volume is exiting. Okay, so this time deep breath in, big throat. Cool.
Such a random view.
Yeah. Do it next time you're sick, it's great. Alright. And then again, deep breath in. Big half. No, come on. Come on. Low volume half. Come on. Big one, big one.
I was like, that was better.
Yeah, that's a minute word. Alright, try high volume. Big one. You got it.
She's got it.
Try that. There you go.